Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer mutual funds with Vanguard, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer mutual funds to Vanguard, start by gathering your account information from your current investment firm. Visit the Vanguard website and log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Transferring Accounts section. Select Transfer a Mutual Fund Account from the options provided. You will be prompted to enter your account details from your current investment firm. Provide the necessary information, including account number and the type of assets being transferred. Next, choose the mutual funds you wish to transfer to your Vanguard account. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. If needed, upload any requested documents to authorize the transfer. Once you have completed the form, submit the transfer request. You will receive a confirmation email once Vanguard has processed your request. Keep an eye on your Vanguard account for updates regarding the status of your transfer. It may take several days for the transfer to complete, depending on your current firm. After the transfer is finalized, you will see your mutual funds reflected in your Vanguard account. If you encounter any issues, contact Vanguard's customer service for assistance. You are now equipped to successfully transfer your mutual funds to Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.